Stake versus unstake in Shibaswap. You're probably wondering what is the difference is and what are the advantages and disadvantages in the Shibaswap. Well, we're going to break this down very simple and very easy. You're in the right place at the right time. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Captain Shelton in you at your service. Now, when you go to Shibaswap, and if you're brand new to Shibaswap, you probably heard, if you have heard, bury your SHIB or your bone on your leash, which basically means you earn rewards just by burying, staking your Shiba bone and leash. Now, if I go to stake tokens really quick, and before I do this, make sure when you come to this website, you're connected with a wallet. That way you can see your actually assets. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that in one of the three wallets you prefer to use. My preference is really all of them, but Coinbase wallet is my favorite if I had to choose in that order. Coinbase wallet, probably MetaMask and Wallet Connect. Now we're going to use Coinbase wallet as an example, and we're going to go right to bury bones. We can use bury bone as an example right here. Now, staking means that I will earn more bone rewards just by staking my bone. So if I say, okay, 100% of my tokens of 2.704, I'm not staking those in this example, which means that I can stake these and start earning some type of rewards. Now with 2 bones, it's not going to give me a lot of rewards, but at least give me something. Now that's the advantage of this. So when you stake your bone, you click on stake. First of all, you want to do a percentage, 25% of it, 50%, 75%, or you can go ahead and just type in how many bones you want to stake based off your tokens. So we're using your tokens as an example. We're using this to be able to stake. These means it's already being staked. So if I already staked these are the ones that's unstake. Just want to let you know that. So if I do 100% stake, what happens is I can put stake, and then what happens is now it's going to allow me to, I'll make sure here, I think I'm connected. Okay, so now it's going to ask me to verify this on my phone. So look at this. Confirm. It actually did a couple of times. $9.67. Let me cancel these, all those there. $9.67. Here's the cell phone as well. Let's see if I can bring that up. $9.67 to make this staking transaction. So I would pay this to stake those coins, right? $9.67. And then what happens is it'll add into the total buried. Now another area is unstaking. Now staking, you just want to earn rewards, burying them each bi-weekly, because they move to the reward system to bi-weekly. You'll start earning something. I can't promise you how much you earn. It really depends how much you're burying, and also the bone APY percentages as well. Everything is actually calculated in there. Now, the next thing I want to tell you is that's the advantage of staking. The disadvantage of staking is I wouldn't say a disadvantage, is the fact that let's say you want to go ahead and take some of those bones and swap it for something else. So that means if I bury these bones, I can't really use them to swap or cash out. So if I want to cash out or swap, I gotta unstake them and then go proceed from there. So if I'm trying to swap these tokens, I can only swap 2.704 tokens or cash out of those tokens instead of the 1,000. So I wouldn't say that's a disadvantage. It's just meaning I can't do too much when things are staked. So that it kind of limits you what you can do. Now, but you earn rewards by staking. So let me get that clear. When you unstake, you got a little bit more freedom, because I can swap it for something else. I can cash those bones out. I can redig them for something else to find more bones. So I've got a little bit more versatility when things are unstaked. So that is the advantages. And unstake, all I do is click on unstake and then find a percentage, or I can just type in the number that I want to unstake, click on Unstake, and then check my phone here, and it's going to show up $8.87 for the fee. That's the fee, the miner fee, to make that transaction. So what do I prefer? I prefer to stake them unless I know I'm going to use them for something else. So I normally bury my bones, at least most of it, is because to me, I'm looking to accumulate more. Now, if I'm trying to make a move, I'll unstake it and swap it for something else. For the most part, I usually keep them there to bury. Now, I have unstaked things before and swapping out, but you got to look at it this way. What some people do, they maybe have, instead of 1,000 buried, they'll have 500 buried, 500 unstaked. That way they can use that unstake for other things. You know what I'm saying? So half and half. So that is a good strategy. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but letting you know that with some advantages and disadvantages you can use. So you can do half and half. If that works for you, you can bury most of it, which I usually go more towards burying most of it, unless I'm going to use it for something else, and I'll just have to pay the fee to unstake that. So that is what that is. You gotta figure out what works better for you, and both of them has really good strategy. Staking means I earn rewards. Unstaking means I've got a little bit more freedom to use those bones or those Shiba tokens to do. Now when you earn rewards, it comes right to below here, and this is the really fun part, is that you can kind of accumulate rewards down here. Unwoofable 200, which meaning I can unwoof this, or I can woof these rewards at this date and at this time. So then I can say, all right, I'm gonna woof these bones out on January 2027. Well, January 27, 2022, I can unwoof those out, and that would really, really be good. For my plan is just keep accumulating in terms of just burying my bones, accumulating bones, and just get so many bones to use with. So you got to see what's going to work for you. Unstake versus stake, they both work, and you need to see what works best for you. Same thing with Leash. You know, here's the rewards down here, and the same thing with Shiba as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. They both got good advantages. Staking, you earn rewards. Unstaking, you have a little more freedom to swap those bones of Shiba Leash out, to actually cash it out, or to redig them to get more rewards in the woofing pairing. So check it out, see what works better for you. I hope I explained this very slowly and easy for you. And if you have any questions, put it in the comment line and I'll get right back to you. And I'll see you on the next video.